Aspinwall. A little bit leg side. Oh, it's got through the keeper as well. So there's bonus runs. Well, that's gone straight through.
Hard into the ground. He really should have stopped it. It wasn't that far over his head. It's sloppy.
Pick that up. Not that much wrong with the ball, actually. It's just a wonderful, wonderful stroke.
Now this one's a bit too short. Bit too short. Fielder's in the circle. He's cleared the...
There, unless he trips over it. Oh, he's picked up that beautifully. That is a wonderful stroke, and that's gone one bounce for 4.
First shot in the last over, not as convincing as that, but this has come out the middle.
Lifts that one, should be out. Oh, just over that fielder. For a moment, I thought he'll be in play.
That's Saad Beg, the captain. He has been really good in the power play. The Hunters generally score 8.20 thanks to their captain Saad Beg.
Oh, he almost got himself stumped. I think he's got a bit of bat onto that. That's the deflection that saved him.
Takes the outside edge. The length was really good.
Just beating point. Getting a boundary on the last ball of the power play.
That will give him some confidence. The last boundary was off the edge. This one, better shot, good execution.
Period where you lay the foundation, and that has somewhat been ignored. He's made room for himself. Is it an opportunity? Got fingers to it. It's gone to the boundary for 4.
Saad Beg, the captain, trying to accelerate the run rate. Siobhan Daniel misjudged it, ran forward, overran on that one, and then tried to go back before it was too late.
Gather more experience and just absorb the pressure. That's well fielded. Oh, has he touched the rope with his back boot? Yes, he's signaling a 4.
But this was a really good shot. If you get 4 on this shot, I'm not too bothered. But just look at the overall technique. He couldn't stop himself. He was still in contact with the ball. The ball was in his hand while he was touching the ropes. Batting. Really good shot there. Saad Beg, he looks good. Inside out for 4 runs.
This is the shot he likes. Again, creating that room and playing inside out. 4 runs.
Goes high. Too long off. And the catch is taken.
It's good from the captain, like I say. Just happy just to bowl into that surface. Doesn't get to the pitch of it. And captain takes the first wicket.
And that's clever bowling too, a little bit of air. It's a very fine shot.
A little bit more flight and big room outside and over extra cover, and it's just going to run away.
It's a talented shot. That's been worked on the leg side. Trump just sliding down, got the treatment.
A Trump delivery that is just really help yourself. Again, out the side, so his fingers go down the left-hand side of the ball. He's trying to get a little leg cutter in. One of his 3 options of a slower ball, and because it sits in the surface. May look for 2. Oh, could be another run out. Could be another run out. Terrible running. What are you doing? And the Giants need a wicket, and they get one. Just look at it. Look at Moiz Rana. Is there a call from Arbez Khan? There's not really a call. Looking at each other. One suggestion I would say, look where the fielder is and look at the ball.
Got that through, and that's going to go for 4. That's what they're going to need. Boundaries early in the over, just to try and put a little bit of pressure back on the bowler.
Ali Nazir will just have to keep an eye on that, whether he talked about running down the wicket. A little bit of width.
It's a miss hit, and it's a wicket.
Their plans, well, what plans? Seem to struggle when they're put under pressure, when they need a boundary.
You see that he bowls that one wide. That's well done by the batter to get bat onto it. He outstretched himself, Wasif.
Yeah, one of the rare poor deliveries from Trump. This one just given too much width. Wasif did well to get it wide of the man at cover.
That's got to be out. That's got to be out unless there's a bat. No, it is not. Yes.
Yeah, when the innings is coming to a close and you need wickets, toss the ball to Trump. That is as straight as you can be.
Earns him a boundary.
And made sure he flat batted it in front of the man at deep backward square on the boundary. That is very well played.
Right through. He's disturbed all the timber there. He's hit middle.
Yeah, this one is the one that goes on quickly with the arm. He's got through the shot before the ball's even got there. Third wicket for Mumtaz. And this will just peg the Hyderabad Hunters further back. He's enjoyed that.
He's paused the stumps and then he's played it straight into the hands of the fielder at fine leg. Oh, he's exposed his stumps and that's a pickup shot. It's just unlucky. He finds the fielder. Look at that. He didn't have to move. Just right there. Good catch, Tino. He's looking into the sun. Using your bat's face in different angles. Oh, he's picked that up. That's got to go all the way. No, it's got to the hands.
I think what he's trying to do here is get that ball fine over the 45, but because it's the slow ball, takes time to get to him and it's hit the bottom edge of the bat.
In the air, should be out, just over the hands of Zair Mumtaz. Boundary.
Over Sikandar, off it's gone through his hands. Yeah, just
Through him. He's played that on to the stumps.
and wanting to ramp it over the man at 45. He's unfortunate because it's ricocheted into the stumps. Otherwise, he would have got himself a boundary, and that's why he's so disappointed. Cross-seam delivery from Ibtisam.